Okay, good morning everybody. So let's get going. It is Thursday 5:27, 7:40 a.m. Eastern Time. Bid 85 on the tape, everybody. So interesting sell-off yesterday afternoon, by the way, from the 83, 82 area that we mentioned in our live room. So let's go over the charts here. Okay. So now let's go and let's explore the big picture and the day trading zones for the day. The big picture is this. You look at March here, we have the higher low and higher high trend line right there that broke. Okay? It broke here around the high 40s, the low 51. Okay? We went and we retested the one that I told you last week. That's why I called the night before on Twitter and sent an email to everybody. Test of that 40.75 from February the 1st, target 37, the lows was 36.75. So we retested this. So we are on a 1, 2, 3 channel. I urge you to look at it. It's an interesting pattern that I learned from Victor Sparandeo's book, Principle of Professional Speculation, 15 years ago or 10 years ago. I don't remember, but it's a very good book. Go and buy it. Okay? So here, okay, you have your 1, 2, 3 in place, which means we have a channel here between the 40.75 and that high 40s. Okay? And that's where the ping pong is going to be. As long as we hold that 40.75, we are on that channel. If we break that 40.75, that's super nasty for the US equity. That would be a big tank. Above, same, we would go make new highs, make a double top. Otherwise, you are in that channel. That's the bottom line, 40.75 to the 11.49.50 area. Okay? So that's the big pictures. Let's go for the day now on the power zone and look what's the day trading zones for the day. So we are going to shift to our new charts right there. And here's the power zones for the day. Okay? So if you noticed, we touched on 521 that channel 84, 88 once. Then on the 24, okay, same, touch it once. The second time, and yesterday a third time, and they sold off. And each time they came close to our power zone here. You see, one of our lines right there, right there, right there. Each time he crossed, recrossed, it was a good rebound. And each time he crossed, recrossed here on the top at 84, 88, it was a good sell. So what's going on here? Well, we did it once, twice, three, we're on the fourth. Is it going to be the time right now with those higher lows from that 37 right now that I showed you on the big pictures? Is it the time now that the 84, 88 is going to sustain for a test of that 1101, 1106 cluster? If we can pass that cluster of power zones from 1101, 1106, we are going to 1119, 1120. Okay? So that's it. So to me, the retracement could happen again if we are sustaining below the 83, 84 again, back to the 69, 70 area. Okay, if we sustain finally above that cluster 84, 88, but really more the 88 so, and push above that 92, we are 1101, 1106. Above that 1106, you see it's huge cluster here. To pass in that 1, 2, 3 formation that I talk about, we go 1120. So you have everything, everybody. You have everything. 84, 88 cluster. We are above the 88. We go 1101, 1106 cluster. We pass that cluster. We go 1120. Okay. In the 1, 2, 3 context that I showed you, we still have higher lows in place. We have a 69 support below the 83. And it looks good here because you still have higher lows. Even with the sell-off late yesterday afternoon, you still have higher lows within the channel that I showed you, which is the 1040.75 to the 1150. It's very profound what I'm telling you. Okay, going forward. Okay, let's go to the euro now, so we don't waste more time. Euro AOFX. Hey, can I have a chart? Okay. And let's go to the daily because the euro doesn't need more than that. Look at the power zone. Okay, so you see on the Euro, you had your lower high trend line. That's the big picture from the top here at 1152 or so. Lower high, lower high. You see that the big cluster now of resistance is going to be 130, 128, 130 on the euro. Now, if we zoom, okay, let me bring them up so that we see better. And hold on like this. And let's space the day trading zones here. Okay, what you see also from the 121 that I've been calling for many days and many weeks now, you see that 121 here on the euros hold perfect, and we have higher lows starting. Then if you look at the last swing low, we're starting to break up. So I would not be surprised the euro go retest, unless they are not finding some solution there in Europe. We would not be surprised they retest 124, 126. After the 126, I tell you we are going to the cluster 128, 130, which is the big one with that downtrend line from the top 152. That's it, guys. You have everything for many days to go. It's very helpful. Just plug everything in your chart and see how it helps you. You stay safe. You have a great trading. Don't forget you can get those day trading zones absolutely free 3 times a week on our control panel on our website tradingemini.com. There's no cost, 3 times per week. Okay, that's it. You take care. I'll be seeing you now one more time, I think tomorrow on the social media. Take care, guys.